morning. It is day 286 and we are getting ready to go on our vacation. So what I'm going to do is make an oatmeal in my thermos and have that ready to go for fueling number 2. Fueling number 1 is just going to be one of my breakfast muffins. I'm about to have that in just a minute. So join me for another daily vlog for the last 50. Pretty darn good. Okay, friends, so we are getting ready to hit the road. We had storms blow through our area last night. Fortunately, we were spared of any damage, and but the windows were cracked in the truck, and so we have a little bit of wet seat. So here is the RV and the truck ready to go, and we are about to hit the road. I got to remember where to look at that camera, and I will catch you in a bit while we are on our travels. Literally, quite literally, the most stressful part is getting up our driveway. And if you know our driveway, you know it is extremely steep with a very sharp curve in it, and this rig is big, and the truck pulled it up like a charm. So we're sitting at the top of the driveway getting ready to lock the gate, and I will be back later. So we haven't even made it out of town yet. Thank goodness we've got a tire pressure monitor for the truck and the RV, and he's able to monitor that. So we had a little high pressure warning, so we've got some adjusting to do, but hopefully we'll be on the road shortly. This is the first time we've taken this RV out, so it is going to be a true adventure for sure. I think I've got everything all squared away in there, have everything that I need, and if not, you know what? We can buy anything. You're never too far from a Walmart, right? I think that's the way, or a Dollar General if you're in the South like this. So we've got Dollar Generals everywhere. So that's kind of what's going on right now. I'm sitting in the truck waiting for him to figure out what to do with the tire pressure, and then hopefully we'll be on our way out of town. I'll probably catch up with you on the interstate as we are heading out of state, through a state, and into a new state, heading down to Florida. I think I've said that we're going to Pensacola, and we camp at Gulf National Seashore, which has an RV campground with full hookups, and we are going to be right across the sand dunes from the bay side, looking right at the Naval Air Station, and the Blue Angels are in practice mode, which means we will get to be seeing them flying overhead. So I'll be sure to get some shots of that this week as we go along. I'm really excited about that. And we also are a short walk from the Gulf side, and so we'll spend some time over at the Gulf and some time on the bay and just chilling, relaxing. That's the plan for this week. So we made it to the interstate finally, and things are going good. Getting ready for fueling number 2 with the boss doing the driving, of course, because I'm not going to drive this thing. I have my apple oatmeal that you saw me prepare earlier, so I'm going to eat that as my second fueling, and we're just going to mark off the miles. Traffic has been crazy through Birmingham and south of that. We have fortunately have a tire pressure monitor, as I told you earlier, and so we just got another high pressure alert, so we've pulled off so he can check on that, which is fine. Just has to release some pressure. We should be good. I did miss recording my third fueling. We did a potty break and fuel break, and the bathroom, they had one bathroom and there was a line, and you know how much water you drink on this program. So, but I did get in and go to the bathroom, and I ate a muffin that I had made with sweet potato and the cheddar herb biscuit. So it makes 2 muffins, and so I had one of those, and hopefully he'll be able to get the pressure taken care of. We still have a couple of hours to go, probably 3 more hours, maybe 4. It's slow going when you're pulling a rig this big. So I'll check in with you later. So it's been a really long day. We're not there yet. We still have about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to go. So we stopped at a gas station, and I used the new dining out guide and got a Subway protein bowl with rotisserie chicken and some oil and vinegar, and that is my lean and green for today. So I'm really excited to eat that. I'm really hungry. I'll check in with you when we get to the campground.
In 1,000 feet, go straight on.